Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 4. Today, we will learn how to sort query results using the order by clause. Sorting helps us organize data in ascending or descending order, and it can be combined with filtering for precise results. The order by clause comes at the end of your query. You can specify one or more columns to sort by and choose ascending or descending order. ASC stands for ascending order. This query sorts employees by salary from lowest to highest. DESC stands for descending order. This query sorts employees by salary from highest to lowest. You can sort by multiple columns. For example, sort employees by department alphabetically, and within each department, sort salaries from highest to lowest. Order by works perfectly with where. Here, we filter employees in the IT department and then sort them by salary in descending order. In a student database, you might want to list students by age. This query sorts students from youngest to oldest. Let us practice. Try sorting employees by name alphabetically, salaries from highest to lowest, and students by class and then age. Common mistakes include forgetting ASC or DESC, trying to sort by columns not included in the query, or misusing multiple column order. Your assignment: create an employees table and practice sorting. Sort by department, by salary descending, and by both department and salary. To summarize, order by sorts your query results. ASC means ascending order, DSC means descending order, and you can combine order by with where for precise queries.